Morning students, today we are going to start with your chapter number 8, that is programming in Scratch. So in today's chapter we will learn about how to use multiple sprites in your programming language, that is Scratch. So in the Scratch product you can add more than one sprite at a time. Each sprite has its own script area. So let us create a project in Scratch using multiple sprites. For that you have to open the Scratch and you have to delete the cat sprite from the stage. For that you have to go over here, you have to give it a right click and just click on this delete option, and you will see that the cat sprites get deleted. Now I want to add a new sprite over here, so click on this icon and let us add every. You'll select this and click on OK. And there is another sprite because we are dealing with multiple sprites, so we'll add Kai, and so we'll add another sprite also. So you can just scroll down and you can search for that sprite over here. Okay, so here it is. I'll just click on this option and click on OK. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to set a backdrop also on the stage. To set the backdrop, what you have to do, you have to click on this backstage icon. You can click over here from the library. You can click and you can choose any of the background over here. So we are going for indoors. So I'll just select the indoor category over here and you can select any one of the options. So let it be this room 3 and I'll click on OK. Now you have to create a script for every sprite. What you have to do, you have to click on this sprite, that is the every sprite, and you have to click on this script. So when you click on this script, you will see the script area for the every gets open. Now you have to go to the event block. In the event, I'll pick this puzzle. When green flag, you can click button to execute it. So I'll just click on this puzzle. Next we'll go for your, just see where is our say. Okay, so you have to search for it, so we'll just go for it. Okay, so here we are in your looks block. You can go for here, say hello, for let it be 2 seconds. So I'll just write over here. You can edit also, so I'll write over here say hello, and you can click and you can write anything. So let it be Kai. So I'll write over here hello Kai, and I will just click on another option, that is the control option, and click on this puzzle, that is wait for 1 second. And if you want to change the looks also, meanwhile you can click on the next costume. So this is the block. I'll just click on the next costume. Again I'll go to the control option, again I'll give it a wait for 1 second, and again go to the sound option, and you can see over here we'll say, so we'll just choose this one and you'll click on this option and you can write over here name the largest continent in the world. Okay, so I'll just write this dialogue and you have to wait for 3 seconds. So let it be 3 seconds over here. So I'll just write 3 seconds, and again I'll go to the control. I'll wait for some 8 seconds over here. So I'll just write over here 8 seconds, and again I'll go to the looks option and again I will say brilliant after 8 seconds, and I'll just write over here brilliant. Okay, so there we are. You have to wait it for 2 seconds. So this we have created a script for every sprite. Now we'll create a script for Kai. So you'll click on the Kai option. So let it be over here. We'll just do some adjustments over here, and you have to click on this sprite, click on this script. You will see the script will open. Again go to the event. When you click on the green flag, and and I will go to the control option, wait for 2 seconds. So I'll just write over here, wait for 2 seconds. Again go to the looks block and choose over here say hello for 2 seconds. Again we'll wait for some seconds, so let it be 3 seconds over here. So I'll write 3 seconds, and again going to the looks and think for 2 seconds. Again go to the control option, again we'll wait for some 3 seconds over here, and then at the end we'll say Russia for 2 seconds. So we'll type over here Russia. Okay, so there we are. So now we have created a script for Kai Sprite also. Now what you have to do after creating both the scripts for Every and Kai, what you have to do, you have to click on the green flag button to execute both the sprites at the same time. Now see, when you click on this green flag, you will see the sprites will speak to each other. I can see over here. Okay, so this is how you can observe that the sprites will speak to each other. So you can add more blocks in the script to increase the conversation. So if you want to increase in conversation, you can add more blocks in the script. So this was all about how can you use multiple sprites. Now coming to we use the keyboard keys. So some blocks in the Scratch run without the help of keyboard keys, but you can run it with the help of keyboard keys also. So the when key press block performs an action once the keyboard key is pressed. So the block placed after the block only execute once the selected key is pressed. So we'll just click on a new project. So I'll click on the new project, and you will see a new script area will open, and you again have to delete this cat sprite. So I'll just delete over here, and I'll add a new sprite. For this I'll just choose the basketball option over here. So I'll click on OK. So for this now we have to create the script. So this is the script area. So we'll just go to the options. So you have to go to the event option. So in the event you will see there are various options when key pressed. So let it be space, and we have a key pressed, and I'll go to the motion block and I'll just move some steps for the basketball. So I'll choose 50 steps and turn 15-degree, and if on edge you can just scroll down. Okay, it's over here. If on edge you can see it will bounce. So you can just click on the keyboard key, that is space. So when I click on the space bar, you can see it will move 50 steps and it will turn 15-degree, and if reaches any edge it will bounce. So you have to press it once, then it will be executed once. So if you press again and again, the same block will be executed multiple times. So this is how you can press the key multiple times to observe the effect. So this is all about how can you use multiple sprites and using the keyboard keys for the execution of your Scratch program. So hope students you enjoyed programming in Scratch. So till then, thank you.